according to science, according to physics, it's very easy to lift a particular body having a certain weight in liquid than in air. Suppose a body is having a mass or weight of around 70 kg, and if I immerse that particular 70 kg body into a liquid, then it is very easy to lift that body which is immersed into the liquid than the body is there in the air. So guys, when a certain body gets immersed in a liquid, it experiences a weight loss. That is the loss of weight it experiences into the liquid. So guys, why this weight loss occurs in the liquid? So it occurs due to the buoyancy of the liquid which is around the periphery of the object. So guys, this particular the liquid exerts a pressure, exerts a upthrust force on the body of the particular object. So guys, that upthrust force helps us to lift the immersing object in the liquid. So guys, that's why this particular that our body experiences a weight loss in liquid. So guys, so there will be the loss of weight, that is the actual weight of the body, that is 70 kg, and the the body experiences the weight of the body in a liquid, that is around 50 kg. So guys, that 20 kg is nothing but the loss of weight, and this loss of weight is equal to this loss of weight is equals to the magnitude or the force exerted by the liquid on the surface of that body. So guys, that is nothing but the Archimedes principle. So guys, this is the Archimedes principle. So Archimedes principle states us that when a body which is insoluble in a fluid, that is immersed in a fluid partially or fully, that body experiences certain amount of weight loss, and that weight loss is directly proportional to the volume, or that weight loss is directly proportional to the weight of the displaced fluid basically. So guys, this is the Archimedes principle. So guys, I hope you understand the basic principle of Archimedes. So if you have any doubts and queries, please leave a comment, and guys, please hit like and subscribe to my engineering channel, Engineers Academy. So thank you guys for watching this video. We'll be right back.